I should never, never, ever, ever see you cry. But gonna see, well, since you been gone, don't you know I sit around with my head hanging down, and I wonder who loving you. 'Cause a life without love, oh, it's so lonely, babe. I don't think I'm gonna make it. All my life been so lonely, baby. So come on home, baby. Come on and take it. All I can do since you gone is cry, baby. Whoa, baby. Don't you ever wonder your pretty little head? Don't you know I sit around with my head hanging down, and I wonder
Dan. Louise, what do you think of Dan's performance?
Oh, Dan, I was so excited to hear your video this week. Obviously, you sang it for me in the week, and I just think it's my favourite performance of the week out of everyone so far. The riffs were spot on from the get-go. I love the fact that you didn't go for like the Jackson 5 track. I liked that you did the Michael Bublé version because it was much more suited to your voice and it was different. The video, the way you did the video was fabulous, you know, all the different angles, and that was great. And I think it was a great song choice. The falsetto part that we added in at the end, and you were like, oh, I'll give it a go. And then I was like, no, you can do it, and I knew you could, and that really just added a lovely, lovely ending to that song. And I love that you showed us that falsetto part. And honestly, like I said, my favourite video of the week, so well done.
Kelly?
I love the fact that it wasn't a typical song choice for you. Like, if somebody had told me that you were singing, I wouldn't have thought that you would have sang that song, if that makes any sense at all. But it worked so well on your voice. I mean, I think you kind of like took that song to a different level. It wasn't like a cheesy poppy, you know, Jackson 5. It wasn't you know, like the swing. It was like your version. And it really, really worked. I think that your riffs were a lot cleaner this week, and it's just showing how much potential that you've actually got. You've just got such a raw talent, and I was quite surprised when you went into your falsetto just how controlled you actually were up there. So I think you are a dark horse in this competition, and I think there's so much more that you're going to be capable of. You know, I've got like 1,000 songs in my head, and I know that, you know, you could chuck anything at you and you could make it work. You know, you've got that kind of ability, so I think you're one to watch.
Dan, yeah, I mean, firstly, I was saying my favourite performance I've seen so far, not just in terms of vocal and what you just did vocally and showed us, but I got to hand it to you for doing 2 scenes in the video. I've never met you, so I didn't know you was capable of that, and it's not an easy thing to do, so I gotta give you credit for how you cropped the video. Definitely makes a difference to watch, you know, is a bit more visual and interesting to watch, so applaud you on that. If any of the other contestants are watching, take it on board. It just makes my job easier, that's all. No, on a serious note, mind, again, like, vocally, I feel like this is a step up again. For each week I'm seeing you step up, and that's what we want to see. And like last week I picked up on, you know, like the innocence as you are, and just that little bit of belief. You just get a bit more belief in who you are as a singer, because the sort of voice you have, you know, is gutsy and is out there, and you can do so much from here to there with it. but that's your personality's got to add to that too, and it's got to be part of that. And you're still quite shy. Like even with this, you could see at times he's like, oh, shall I not move too much or something like that. Go crazy. That's what you need to do, because you need to be rah, you need to be rocking it out, because your voice is capable of it. So why not do it with your personality, you know? So as a performer, you really just need to just keep bringing your relaxation and your confidence to the table in terms of, look at me, I'm owning this is my time, that sort of thing. Other than that, vocally the best performance I've seen so far, and you were best to date, so well done, buddy.